Lowriders are more than just cars. They're a symbol of culture, history, and self-expression. The history of lowriders began in the 1940s in Los Angeles. Young Mexican-American car enthusiasts started customizing their vehicles, making them lower, flashier, and unique. Unlike traditional American muscle cars built for speed, lowriders were designed to glide slowly through the streets, turning heads with their artistic style. In the 1950s, the famous phrase, "low and slow," was born. Chevrolet Fleetline, Mercury Eight, and Bel Air became the foundation of early lowrider culture. During the 1960s and 70s, technology changed the game. Since laws prohibited overly low cars, lowriders introduced hydraulic suspension systems, allowing them to adjust height on demand. This era gave rise to Chevrolet Impala, Monte Carlo, and Buick Regal, which became icons of urban culture. By the 1980s and 90s, lowriders were deeply connected to hip-hop, rap, and gangster style. They were featured in music videos by Tupac, Dr. Dre, and Snoop Dogg. The Los Angeles lowrider clubs made a huge impact, organizing shows and hydraulic jump competitions. Today, lowriders continue to evolve, blending classic designs with modern technology. We now see electric lowriders, new custom designs, and digital suspension controls. But one thing remains the same. A lowrider is not just a car, it's art, style, and a statement.